This is the pedestrian safety intersection and crosswalk demo. As you can see, we have a pedestrian at a crosswalk. He's going to go ahead and cross in front of this first vehicle, which you can see the vehicle is inside of the intersection, which he is not supposed to be. You also have a driver here that has the correct distance that he is supposed to have from the crosswalk. UPS Freight puts special emphasis on intersection safety. Intersection safety, many of the 5 seeing habits and 10-point commentary refer to intersections. It is important to remember that the crosswalk are intersections too, and almost every vehicle intersection has a crosswalk. Now, if you watch that, you would be able to have seen that the second driver that was farther back from the crosswalk did not count his 1, 2, 3 or check his left, right, left, because he went right into the intersection as soon as the light turned green. If the pedestrian would not have stopped in the front of the first vehicle, the second vehicle would have hit the pedestrian. Let's go ahead and find out from the drivers what they were able to see when that pedestrian was crossing through the crosswalk. Joe, when the pedestrian came through the crosswalk, were you able to see him in front of your vehicle?
I could see his head bobbing up and down, but that was it.
So you knew there was someone in the crosswalk?
Once he got in front of the truck, I did.
Okay. Thank you. Now let's go ahead and ask the driver that went through the intersection that was not up to the crosswalk whether he was able to see the driver or not. Mike, when you were sitting where you were behind that intersection, were you able to see the pedestrian coming across the intersection?
No, I wasn't.
So when he was coming through the crosswalk, when were you able to see him?
First time when he walked past the driver's side mirror.
All right.
And couldn't see him at all.
Okay, let's go ahead and try this demo again. And this time we're going to have you count the 1, 2, 3 and do your left, right, left. And we'll see if you could see him then. Thank you. We're going to go ahead and do this demo again, and this time Mike's going to do the proper start at an intersection, and we'll see how he does with seeing the pedestrian in the sidewalk. So now let's talk about a pedestrian that decides that he or she is going to beat the don't walk sign. As a pedestrian, he or she may get caught in the intersection as the light starts to change. Now that time, were you able to see him when you did your 1, 2, 3?
Yes, after I counted 1, 2, 3, then I had plenty of time to see him.
Because he had already came into your vision. All right, thank you. Now let's think about what might have happened the second time if Mike didn't bother to do his count 1, 2, 3, or if he didn't look left, right, left. A green light does not mean that you have the right of way. It means proceed with caution. Pedestrians are hard to see if we have our vision blocked by an object or billboard. Remember, if we follow the rules, like Mike did the second round, of space and visibility, it will keep everyone safe. This demonstration was done by the Ferguson-Stockton Group, CHP Committee. Thank you.